Google is gearing up to launch its next major smartphone, the Pixel 9 Pro, in about a month. They've already given us a sneak peek, revealing its design and sparking anticipation. This new model is one of 4 devices set to be unveiled at the August event. Thanks to recent leaks, we already know a lot about the Pixel 9 series. Popular leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer, aka On Leaks, has shared marketing material highlighting features likely to be showcased on August 13th. The Pixel 9 series catchphrase, "done and then some," hints at features like Circle to Search and Gemini assistants, which let users quickly search for information by circling content on their screens. Additionally, the Pixel 9 series will introduce a screenshot feature to help users remember important information, enhancing productivity. There are also crisis alerts and advanced security measures, emphasizing Google's commitment to user safety. All 4 Pixel 9 models will be powered by the Tensor G4 processor, ensuring optimal performance. The regular Pixel 9 offers up to 12 GB of RAM, while the Pro models boast 16 GB. The Pro models feature a 42MP selfie camera and a refined main camera setup, promising exceptional photo quality. The displays are also impressive, with Pro and XL models featuring Super AMOLED displays offering vibrant colors and excellent visibility. The Pro models claim a 24-hour battery life, and Google promises 7 years of security updates. The Pixel 9 Pro will come in 4 color options: Obsidian, Porcelain, Rose, and Hazel. The regular Pixel 9 will be available in Porcelain, Obsidian, Rose, and Green. The August 13th event will also feature the next generation smartwatch and new earbuds. The Pixel 9 series represents a significant step forward for Google, with its innovative features, advanced AI integration, and robust hardware specifications, promising a superior user experience. Stay tuned for the official reveal on August 13th. Let us know what you think about the upcoming Pixel 9 series in the comments below. Are you planning to buy any of the new devices? Which feature excites you the most? Subscribe for the latest Pixel 9 news and rumors. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on post notifications. See you in the next one.